Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to my FANS Wethu TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Kaizer Chiefs 1, Sekhukhune 3. I'm joined by Boss Blast.
Yeah, brother. First and foremost, I just want to appreciate my team for coming to play. For coming to play and lose this game. We were hoping that today we were going to win this game. Sekhukhune, yes, we appreciate them. They are a good team. But today, our coach, my coach, you disappointed me. How can you definitely delete? You didn't mix it. You deleted the whole defense. Come on, guys. Look at the Springboks. They come with the 7-1. What? But this time, Ras come with the 6-2 formation. And we won against the All Blacks. There by Kimberley in New Zealand. Some applause with our coach, Nabi. You are supposed to come with a formation, a winning formation, whereby he can keep his defense. His defense is a winning defense. All of a sudden, he's changing everything. Come on, man. Come on, man. Why? Oh, come on, man. Damn it! Timo.